So guys,
hello guys, welcome back to my channel in this ZZ official. So in this video we are going to catch some prawn fish. So we came already here in the jungle. It is in Jampuijalla. So here everywhere it is all rocks and mountains. So it is so big rock here, you can see. So we have got some few crabs here, and now we are going to catch some more. So see, we are here from morning. I don't know when we are going back. So we'll catch some prawn fish and crab and go. So guys, now I'm going to write my YouTube channel name here as a sign. Guys, now we are going to catch the prawn. If you want to see, you see here. Catch. Mas lagi beli. You make another one, no? Mari ya. Rumdi. So guys, we are going to catch some prawn here. Bagus. Kumpul itu bagus semua. Ini motor deh. Itu. Ini kayaknya tuh, kayaknya. Wah, apa cuma harus meja mau beli. So guys, now you can see prawn. My God, ini kotor. Harus coba kotor. Omar, tegak yang see. So Sar is very happy with this moment. Mama sepanang deh. Punukade Sar pergi korban prawns. So many prawns. Oh my, so big prawns. Boleh pasang. Mau baca orang sana. Belum ya? Masukkan nomor. Kakak kau yang mana? All from fish. As we are going back home now, we are trying to catch as much as we can. And my dear friends, you can also see the huge rocks covered everywhere. It's so hard and huge. So you can see my YouTube channel here. So this I have left for the viewers to come and visit this place, the beautiful place. Iklah. Maka. Oh, makna. Oh, kono makna. Wah, wah, jaga na gere. 4 kg. 4 kg. Oh, wah. 4 kg. So everywhere in this YouTube channel. So so now we are going back. Actually, now yang deh pohon kak. So guys, we got somehow 2 kgs of fish, some prawns, some crab, no fish but prawn, all pebbles and stone. Surf each. Let's see. Let's walk. So guys, now I will be taking you to one of the beautiful hut built in the middle of the jungle, where we will be cooking and eating the fish that we have caught. So just stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Oh, see, so tired. Huh? Hey, mushroom. Oh my god, what season we are getting mushroom, man? Also. Mushroom. See? Oh my god. See some more? The mud is wet now.
Yeah. See.
Hi, Kaslamo.
What a lucky day.
Lucky. See, here 3. Wow. Wow, here we are tired and lucky.
Whole place is full of mushroom.
It will be.
If we dig.
So we almost reached. So this is the view from this hook area, you can say now, where we used to do jump. So we reached here and we are going to cook. So here, this is Zoom area. So they build a small hut in order to keep the things and cook, or you can even stay here. So here we are going to cook. You can see, so some of them are starting cutting the vegetables. So you can see here. So guys, you stay tuned and watch the video and see what are the things we do here. So we are here. So this is the place where they used to do jum cultivation. So it is a beautiful area, beautiful scenery. You can see all around here. This is a large area. So enjoy the view
my dear friends. After a whole day of catching fish, so now is the time for rest. So we are going to eat and enjoy here. So we have even cut some of the banana leaves so that we can sit here and eat rice together. So this is one of the enjoyment we are going to experience here. Even I am going to experience.
So guys, this is gudok. Another gudok. Another. Wow.
So finally we finished cooking and we started to eat. So after lots of whole day working, catching fish, crab and so on, we at the end of the day sat together and ate this. So thank you guys once again. This is the end of the vlog, and stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.